Okay, this is a solid brass Zippo, and it says JB in the front, the bottom. It says 1932 Zippo 1990 Bradford, and there's some writing on the back, which I can't read because some of the lettering, some of the words disappeared, but it says love Lori here, but the rest I can't read it. It doesn't work anymore because there's nothing inside of it. But it's an old solid brass Zippo, not like the new ones, because the new ones are fat and ugly looking. This one's thin and slim. Yeah, so if you guys can help me find what the writing on the back says, just comment or leave me a message. That would be great. So yeah. Yep.